A Ford F-150 with a Flowmaster Outlaw exhaust is not something you do for subtlety. It's more like announcing your arrival with an army of mechanical trumpets, full blast. Your neighbors will know your schedule whether they want to or not. Installing this thing isn't like changing a tire. You're going to get under your truck, probably bump your head at least twice, and you need the right tools. If you don't own a socket wrench set, your first step is purchasing one. The Outlaw is famous for aggressive sound, that deep, half-growling, half-barking tone that makes your V8 feel 3 times more muscular. Flowmaster claims it's the loudest system they make, and frankly, the numbers don't lie. Decibels pop into the 90s. A lot of people ask if it's worth the pain. Here's the reality. Bolt-on exhaust systems like this can add 2 to 5% extra horsepower. What you're really buying, though, is attitude. The gas pedal gets translation. Press harder, and the Outlaw tells everyone you mean business. So step 1, get your truck on jack stands and let it cool off. Trust me, if you skip this part, you'll learn the hard way that exhaust pipes get hot enough to fry breakfast. I've got the burn scars to prove it. Next, hit all the rusted bolts with penetrating oil. This stuff works miracles, unless your stock exhaust is old enough to vote, in which case, find a breaker bar. Stripped bolts are the most common pain point on this job. Flowmaster usually ships these kits with decent instructions, but YouTube is your friend. Watch at least 2 installation videos first. Even if you're handy, you'll pick up tricks. Stuff like using dish soap to help slip rubber hangers, a tip that's worth its weight in gold. The most satisfying step, dropping the old muffler. You might have to shake it like a bad vending machine, but when that bulky, restrictive canister finally hits the garage floor, you'll see how much lighter the Flowmaster Outlaw is by comparison. Bolt up the new pipes, clamp everything loosely first, and make sure it all lines up. This is the step people rush and regret. One crooked hang, and your tailpipe rattles like a toy in a dryer. Align, tighten, and recheck. It sounds obsessive, but it prevents months of annoyance. Moment of truth, start it up. Pro tip, let it run a minute before you floor it. The Outlaw wakes up loudest on cold starts, and you'll hear every pop and burble. The smile you make is not optional. Caution, automatic garage doors can literally rattle. There is a downside. Highway drone is a real thing at certain RPMs, and family members or rideshare drivers have been known to object. If cabin comfort is your top priority, this probably isn't your exhaust, but for the rest of us, worth every decibel. Maintenance is low. Once it's in, just check your clamps every oil change. I've had mine in rain, mud, even a snowstorm in Portland, and it holds up as long as you check for rust. Stainless steel, by the way, is worth the upgrade dollars. If you crave that deep American muscle sound and want a mod that delivers instant, brag-worthy impact, the Flowmaster Outlaw is a legitimate answer. I don't know of any accessory that transforms your F-150's personality for a few $100 quite like this.